service. Average family saving close to $1,000 a year. Some families saving much, much more. Pound 250, keyword save now from our friends at Pure Talk, and it will only take minutes of your time.
If you own a business, this has been a bumpy ride. From pandemic to inflation, I'm sure you could use a break. If your business...
Outside of two things can be true, in that we all want the best for Damar Hamlin, but we also may not have...
Democrats control the Senate. They're not going to be able to pass a lot of their own legislation.
But when I did, Sean, I think you're going to know exactly how I felt as a Knicks fan when I saw...
I encourage you to find a place where you can worship and pray for others in the same way.
And to repent. Yeah, people are capable of choice. God made us that way.
Beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me.